Those good old teenage days were so good. I just want to press this escape button and escape back to good old days where I was watching WWE all the time, playing San Andreas and GTA Vice City. That is the declinism bias. We always think that, oh, the past days were much better and the world is declining. It is becoming a worse place. If you keep on thinking that your past was much, much better, you were much more chill, you had less responsibilities, you had more time to have fun, you keep sabotaging your success. Because if you are always thinking of past, you are wasting your current moment. I'll come to this, okay? So right now, you are this person, you might be in your early 20s, you have a lot of societal expectations, and you are having a tough time carrying that pressure, carrying that weight of societal expectations of getting a job, having a girlfriend, having a great body, and all these things are on you right now. And you feel that pressure of becoming really good at something. But right now, you can't because it takes years to build, right? That's why you feel like going back to the old days. You are escaping to the good times because right now feels painful. That is the reason that you keep on thinking about nostalgia. You keep on playing back those songs that make you feel nice. That sabotages you. I read this awesome poem, Chaya Machuna. It's a Hindi poem. I'll just read it for you guys. छाया मत छूना मन होगा दिफ्लूना जीवन में है सुरंग सुधिया सुहावनी छवियों की चित्रगंध फैली मन भावनी तन सुगंध शेष रही बीत गई यादनी कुंतल की फूलों की याद बनी चांदनी भूली सी एक छुअन बनता हर जीवित क्षण छाया मत छूना मन होगा दुख दूना यश है न वैभव है मान है न सरमाया जितना ही दौड़ा तू उतना ही भरमाया प्रभुता का शरण बिंब केवल मृग तृष्णा है हर चंद्रिका में छुपी एक रात कृष्णा है जो है यथार्थ कठिन उसका तू कर पूजन छाया मत छूना मन होगा दुख दूना दुविधा हत्साहस है दिखता है पंत नहीं देख देह सुखी हो पर मन का दुख कभी अंत नहीं क्या हुआ जो खिला फूल रस पसंद जाने पर दुख है ना चांद खिला शरत रात आने पर जो न मिला भूल उसे कर तू भविष्य वरण छाया मत छूना मन होगा दुख दूना if you understand Hindi you must go through this poem and dissect it word by word, but I'll just give you three main takeaways. First of all, thinking about past, the good old memories of past makes present more unbearable because we are thinking about the good old days and right now it's all pain, all these expectations. So are, we feel more difficult to live in this present scenario. Second, it blinds present vision. That good old days, the delusion, the nostalgia blinds us from what we are doing, what we should focus right now. And lastly, it subtracts the pain from that time. We are just romanticizing it. We are subtracting all the hardships that we had to go through at that time. We are just romanticizing the good parts. But that makes us delusional. So, thinking about your past and good old memories just doubles your pain and suffering. Remember that. I just want you to come back to this hourglass. You only have this moment right now. You only have control over the present right now. The only few sand particles that are going on from this point. All of this will never come back. All of your past, those friends, those situations, those feelings will never come back. It is gone. If you keep on thinking about it, you just make yourself more sad. And this future, it's covered with a black cloth. You never know, you might die tomorrow. And if you keep on thinking about past, you will waste your today's time. You will not work on things that are hard. And because of that, your life would be mediocre. No one would talk great words about you. So you should invest all your time that you have right now to build your legacy instead of reminiscing about the past. Thinking about the past just doubles your pain and suffering. Keep thinking about your present moment and taking massive action. I know this video was super valuable to you. Drop a like, subscribe this channel, and join my community, free school community as well. I'll see you the next time. Stay with us.